This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, retardates them to make them look and taste like the retail products, all while she's sucking me off. If you liked it hot, you'll be angry if you miss these spicy tempura battered onions. Available in small, medium, or large. Well, I don't know about angry, but they look slightly sullen and sulky. I think the fact that I paid $3.80 for half a box full of onion skins, I'm irritated. So they kind of work. Speaking of kind of working, if you present this side button of subscription and jingle thy bell to a big nose, the crucified. Grab 2 medium white onions and slice the ends off and chop. Your egg wash is 1 egg, lemon pepper seasoning, and a good splash of hot chili oil. Give it a quick mix. Tempura batter flour with cumin, turmeric, cayenne pepper and paprika. Combine with a fork. The next process is simple: egg wash, then flour. Medium-high heat in a wok and shallow fry till golden. Season and serve. I like mine with sriracha to kick it up a notch and Kippy mayo to give it some zest. Ended up being $1.60. Now that is one outraged looking onion. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I shaved off all my pubes, eh?